In the hustle and bustle of life, finding balance is the key to achieving overall well being. But what exactly is balanced thinking and how does it apply to different aspects of our lives? Let's explore how balanced thinking can enhance our physical, mental, emotional, and social well being. Physical well being encompasses more than just the absence of illness, it's about nurturing our bodies to thrive. Balanced thinking in physical well being involves regular exercise, a nutritious diet, and sufficient rest. It's understanding our body's need and limitations and finding equilibrium between activity and rest. Overexertion or neglect can lead to fatigue, injury, or illness, making balance essential for our physical health. Balanced thinking in mental well being involves managing stress, cultivating resilience, and fostering a positive mindset. It's about acknowledging our strengths and weaknesses and setting achievable goals. Balancing mental stimulation with relaxation activities helps maintain equilibrium and prevents burnout or mental health issues. Our emotions play a significant role in our overall well being, shaping how we perceive and interact with the world. Balanced thinking in emotional well being involves acknowledging and processing emotions effectively. It's understanding that all emotions are valid and learning healthy ways to cope up with them. Cultivating healthy coping mechanisms and seeking support when needed are crucial for maintaining emotional balance, especially during challenging times. Humans are social beings and our connections with others plays a vital role in our well-being. Balanced thinking in social well-being involves nurturing healthy relationships and contributing positively to our communities. It's finding a middle ground between social interaction and solitude, respecting personal boundaries and nurturing meaningful connections. Striking a balance between giving and receiving support is essential, as it taking time for ourselves to recharge. Balanced thinking across physical, mental, emotional, and social dimensions is the foundation of overall well being. By practicing self awareness, self care, and proactive approach to life, we can achieve harmony and fulfillment in all aspects of our life.